this doesn't bite me in the ass. That's holding it. That's holding it. Seatbelt's holding it. Hopefully it just doesn't slosh. It's not that full, but hopefully. So, I have made a huge mistake. Like I said, I made a massive mistake in buying this car. If you follow my channel, you would know that this is just the second video that I've ever made with this car. The last one was me introducing it and saying that I bought a new car. And this car has put me in an awful mental situation. It has broke me financially and mentally. This is my I'm getting rid of this fucking thing video. All in all, I have stories with this thing that I will never forget. The car is a good car. I'm not denying that. The car is very well built. It has incredible parts on it. It is a dream car of mine to own. But right now in my life, it has completely broke me financially. It has broken me mentally to where I don't even fucking like this thing anymore. I wouldn't care if it ran perfect for the next year. I do not like this thing because I've had it for 5 months, and in reality, I've probably gotten to drive it probably like 5 times because every other fucking time it's been broken. It is ridiculous. I wish I could keep it. I wish that it was in my financial book to be like, yes, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep building upon it. But it just does not make sense for me. So I need to get something that is more reliable, more dailyable, more realistic, something that still has a good aftermarket community, something that will start and run every time that I want to drive it. And I bought it knowing that it was a track car, which was the intention of it, and I was hoping that the videos would do good. And I don't know, maybe I should have made vlogs about all the trouble that I had with this car. But in those times, like when I blew the tire on the side of the road and I had to make my friends sit there and my girlfriend use her AAA, and we were in just such a predicament, it wasn't the time to get out my camera and be like, let's vlog this. And then every other time that it broke, I was just fucking mad. I was beyond irate to think that something else had gone wrong. And the dude that is buying it, he knows that it is a complete track car. He has a daily, he has a truck and a trailer, he has other street cars, he has the money to take care of it and to use it for its real purpose. I do not. And I wish that I did. Maybe one day in life I can build another track car like this. But me trying to use this car as a daily / fun weekend car, it just didn't happen. Just was not the smartest decision on my half, and I regret it. But yeah, so the e46 drift car, sorry that it was so short-lived on this channel. I had a lot of plans for this car, but not now. I really do miss making videos like this, and this car really took it out of me to where I didn't have any motivation for anything. I know some people will get that, others won't, but I'm excited to get rid of it. All of the interior parts, like little plastic pieces and shit. My beloved wheels. Status seats loaded up. All little trinkets and shit. And then I put all the carpet and everything back here, just in case it rains, so it doesn't get the carpet soaking wet. I'm so beyond happy to see this car go.
I know that I explained in this video, but this car was an awful experience for me. But I am so sad about seeing these rotiforms go. They helped sell the car, and he wanted them, but I am very sad about seeing them go. So that sucks. But we're about to see a new build on the channel. I'm trying to start over again, fresh chapter, trying to make a good decision this time. This car was not it. I wish I never would have bought it, but whatever. Went through it. It's going to a good home. So let's load this thing up. Good fucking riddance. Today we are welcoming the new build to